How to fix TikTok comment not showing. So if you're having trouble with your TikTok comments, or you're not able to see comments on under your videos, then here's a few things that might work for you. So first of all, open your TikTok and go to your profile at the bottom right. Once you're in your profile, tap on the three dot at the top right and open your settings and privacy. And under account, tap on privacy, and under the interaction section you can tap on the very first option, that is comments. And the first option is allow comments from, you might have chosen no one, so you have to make sure that you choose it to your friends or even everyone if your profile is public. So based on that, you will have to turn off these two options here as well, because they might be causing the filters, so you might not be able to see the comments. So after you do this, you just reset the app, clear the app and open again, and check if your TikTok comments are working. But if this still doesn't work, then you have to open your phone settings, go to your app settings and find TikTok under your app settings. You can just search for TikTok. Just open your TikTok and go to your storage settings. Then you will have to clear cache and clear your data. So if you do this, your entire TikTok data will be cleared and your account will be logged out. So make sure you'll have to log into your account after you clear the data, and check if that solves the problem. But if this still doesn't work, then you'll have to uninstall the app and reinstall it again and log into your profile. Then this will fix the problem for sure. I hope you liked the video and found it helpful. I'll see you on the next one.